I think one of the key conversations that we've been hearing over the last 2 days is about space and even life on another planet. And this, I think, if we talk about sharp transformation, so we're living, the grey elephants are converging, they're colliding. Every 100 years or so, we go through a period of sharp transformation. And could you imagine anything bigger than suddenly discovering that there is life on another planet? I mean, that will blow people's minds, won't it? The one example that the speaker gave this morning was about how it's on the same level as humans discovering that the world's not flat, or that we're not the center of the universe. That's how big the transformation, just finding a signature of life on another planet would be. What are your thoughts around that? I found those sessions fascinating.
I agree. And then the fact that he was saying to us that it's very likely that it will be life, but not as we know it. And so we're not just going to be pushed to discover we might not be alone in the universe, or that we might not be unique in the universe, but we're going to be pushed to discover there is another form of life available in the universe. And as he said, when you look up into the night sky after that happens, you'll never be able to see it the same. It will be an animated sky now, realizing that there's something else out there. And there's a whole vocabulary we don't know about. I mean, would we call it conscious? Would there be another word to describe it? Could we connect with it? What would we learn? What could we teach? It really is one of those sort of thought experiments. But then you meet a guy who says within the next 5 years, it's not a thought experiment, it's real.
Well, isn't that the truth? Because NASA is set to go to the moon next year. So in July this year, I went to Houston, to the NASA Center, and there's a big thing about the fact that the people who are living, or who will live in Mars, are already at school today. So kids at school today, your future could be on Mars. And today, one of the speakers I met, and she is a space architect. She's designing how we will live in space and live on other planets. And the quirky thing that she mentioned was that in space, you can't eat a sandwich because the breadcrumbs get into the air ducts.
If this has interested or intrigued you, follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts and get the full episode.